guys, and welcome back. We're actually out in the car park at Universal Studios for heading to Volcano Bay today. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to go around a lot of the attractions, but when I can, I will. I've got it with me, as well as a backup battery, so we should have no issue with that. However, I got put up on a bus, so to the entrance music. Okay, just got through security. Now going through this tunnel to get here in the park. I am loving this sort of island theming in here so far. This is kind of cool. Okay, let's keep going into the park and I'll show you guys around. Now we come to the front gates. This is kind of cool. Let's get ready for this big reveal. There it is. I have to admit, from the road it doesn't look super impressive. From in here, it's kind of cool. It really is. Okay, we're actually going to walk around the park, try to find something to tap into, as well as just look at everything, because I won't be able to film too much today, unfortunately, because I can't take GoPro on things, and this camera's not waterproof. Alright, so we've kind of just entered and I've come to the right-hand side. Walk down here, we notice there's some eating areas back there. I'm not too sure, maybe private cabana there. Have got a gift shop here. Gonna keep going around, see what else we can find. You can see that there is that new Caribbean Bay. I can't quite make out the name from down here. Hotel up there. Okay, so some premium seating down there. So some of the cabanas, not quite cabanas, but some of the others. Got one of the eateries up there. So far this is looking kind of cool, guys. It really is. I'm looking forward to really get on the slides. Like, I've heard nothing but good stuff about this place, and I know you can also walk almost all the way through that volcano. So we'll have to definitely do that at some point. I'll take you guys with me when I end up doing that. Okay, I'm still just walking on the outside of the perimeter. Barely moved too much further the last clip you guys saw. But I'm now at the Dancing Dragon, which looks like a licensed bar in here. Some seating. It is seeming like there's not that overly many people here, which is really good for us today. It means hopefully we should be able to get on quite a few attractions. We're actually hoping everything without any big issues. Okay, we've got lockers there behind me. So we're going to have to come back to that in a second so I can put my bag in. Okay, so which way do I want to go? Looks like down there is a slide, but we're going to keep going around this way. Okay, so we are noticing we've got one of those concierge desks there where you can kind of go if you have a problem with your band. Oh, I should show you the band. So I just shoved it in my pocket because I was like, I can put that on when I get changed. Okay, but what's it saying? Please leave W in return bin. Okay, I think I walked too close to the bins, that there. So I'm actually going to go to this little desk thing here and get that fixed up before we keep moving. Okay, so I found one of these tap points. Let's see what happens if I tap the band on it. Oh cool, I can spray people. That's fun. Okay, so we've got another eatery here. So I can show you guys the menu. You know, that one's just saying Hawaiian pizzas, shrimp, mac and cheese, full on hot dogs. Okay, that's probably looks like what it's offering. There is a menu inside, but we're going to keep moving. Okay, here's another one. Okay, so I made that big explosion happen. Okay, so I came to my first point, but this one's actually saying right now, means I don't actually have to tap the band. So we'll come back to that and just jump on it in a little bit. Okay, we've also got these boards all around the park, which apparently are going to tell us what is right now and what's not. And everything's kind of saying right now, it looks like. So we may not actually have to tap onto much today. So that looks like there is actually like that fast moving wheel I was telling you guys about, which I can take the GoPro onto. Let's try to pass the copyright music that's going on behind us. But there's another licensed bar behind there, and looks like a little snack booth down there as well as an entrance into like the way. There is a pathway down there. I'm not, like I said, this is my first time I'm actually coming to this park, so I'm not sure remotely where I'm actually heading. But there's that fast moving wheel I was telling you guys about. So we're going to keep circling around and hopefully find like some lockers so I can get changed, and then we can hop onto some of the slides, like this one over here. Oh, looks cool, doesn't it, guys? Okay, I see some lockers there, but I'm going to keep circling just so I can do a full circle of the park before I grab a locker, okay? Another eatery in there. That one doesn't look like it's currently open, so I'm not sure if it's shut for the day or just until like a certain time. There's also a little booth here that also looks closed. There's actually a few things back here that looks closed, so this looks like it could just be like a quiet part of the park. So yeah, it's possible it's just a really not a busy day, which will really benefit us. But I'm going to end this clip because this beach was... Okay, we have to try that one. Look at that drop into the water. That looks so cool. Oh, guys, I am so excited to check out everything. We got another little eatery there. I just heard a gong go off. Oh, okay, I've got to be careful because there is things spraying your feet so you don't burn them. And I'm still fully clothed, so I'm just getting my shoes and socks soaked. Okay, keep going around. Looks like we've got some private cabanas over here. Okay, so we've got another spray thing. I'm really gonna have to find a way not to just get myself soaking wet before we have to, but yeah, some more of the cabanas and stuff up there, some private seating. Kind of looks cool. Okay, so there is actually a designated smoking area here if that's what you're into. So it's just here. Looks like it's kind of at the side of the park. I'm not completely sure where I am in relation to anything at the moment. I think I'm actually coming back towards the front gates at the moment, so maybe it's just off to the side. There's some more lockers there, so we may end up coming back to them. It looks like a main gift shop over here, as well as a people dryer. A little like gift shop area we got to walk through. Looks kind of cool. I was looking here quickly. Okay, so it's basically like swimsuits, wraparounds, merchandise for the park. What to expect? There was another one over there, which we won't go into. There's some towels on the outside here. A little concession stand. So they return your towels and where you rent your cabanas from, if that's what you're looking for. Okay, that sign up there, if you guys can see, is actually saying park exit. And I feel like I'm back at the front of the volcano. So I think we've actually done a complete circle. So if I'm not mistaken, there were some lockers. Actually, there's some lockers, better ones back this way. So let's go over here and put my stuff away, and then we'll go from there. Okay, guys? Change now. No, I don't have one. Gonna try to get a locker, put all this stuff away. I'm gonna try to hit a few sites, then we'll do all right now, and then I'll come back and grab the GoPro. We'll do like the lazy river, the wave pool, the fast moving river as well. I'll kind of give you guys my review on what I think of the attractions as well. Okay? Okay, I don't know, we're trying to fix up my locker, but I'll fix that in a second. Can I just point out, I have some cool... Are you gonna focus? Cool, like some weird shaped dollar and some gold dollars. Yeah, let's try this again, but I thought I'd show that to you guys. I've switched to the GoPro now. I've actually just come off of doing every single slide that I can do. Well, actually no, that's not totally right. There was one that I was too heavy for, and there was also the drop slide. And you guys just know, I'm still a fan of drop slides. I've never actually done one, but I'm fine with any slide. I just don't like not being in control of when it drops out of me. Now I'm trying to find my way to the lazy river. Can you guess? I have no idea in the world where I'm going. I'm gonna go this way because it kind of circles the whole park. I did also ask, yes, the lazy river, the fearless river, and the wave pool are the only things I can actually take the GoPro onto. So unfortunately, I can't show you any of the other slides, guys. Either way, let me find where we can get into this lazy river, and then we'll go from there, okay? Hey, haven't found the lazy river yet, but I did find my way to the wave pool, so let's go check that out, okay? Just floating here and waiting for the actual waves to start, but this is actually kind of relaxing. I have to admit, as much as I've loved, wow, that sky's looking dark. Okay, sorry, you know I'm being distracted. As much as I've loved everything here, I have to admit, I always forget how much walking there is at a water park. I know it sounds oxymoronic, but still, I think you can understand what I'm meaning. So I'm looking up at, I'm not sure I can zoom. Maybe there's actually a way for me to zoom. I'm not totally sure. I'm sorry, guys. But there's the drop slide just up there. So I was looking at it. I haven't been on it, like I said. But there's also this dark slide. Okay, hang on. There's thing on the screen, so I can wipe it away. Yeah, I vaguely made it better. There's also a dark slide there, which I'm not too sure what it is. Like I said, there was some that I was just too heavy for. There's like a 64 kilo max weight limit. So, but I have to find out if that's a different slide. If it is, I can check that out. But when we finish here, we'll try to find like the and let me wipe the screen again. The lazy river, fearless river, whatever it's called. We'll go walking through there because I know you can walk all the way through the volcano at different points. Okay, some ominous music just started. I hope that means the wave is about to start. I've been here all day. I just don't know what it is, honestly. And apparently these waves will go for 10 minutes and then they'll be off for 10 minutes. So it's kind of like 10 on, 10 off apparently. Let's swim towards them. Now it's starting to get a little choppy. This is fun. Show you guys what I'm seeing. See the waterfall up there. It's beautiful, but yeah. The waves are okay. Like I'm enjoying them, but I don't know. I was wishing they'll be a bit bigger. Days I had a hard time staying on my feet, but pretty cold. So I do push around by them. That's me standing on my feet. The waves look like they're pretty much stopped. Like this is just the aftermath. Like this, you guys may have noticed when I first jumped in, it was like this. It's kind of mildly choppy. So I think let's try to make our way out of the wave pool and either look through the volcano or try to find that like fearless, fast-moving river. It's like a little weird. I don't know underneath it. It's cool. Okay, let's keep moving, guys. Okay, let's head into the volcano. Okay, who's fun? Alright, you're not gonna hear me. Okay, I've had to I can tap and have controls. Okay, so tap. Okay, so okay, I can't zoom while I'm in this mode, but I'm controlling that hose, and there's a hose over here I'm controlling too. So if there were someone down there in that little splash pool, I could actually squirt them. That's cool. Okay, there's 2 ways to go. Let's go up because I think there's like the spear of the volcano up here we can chat to. Oh, there's another tapping point here. Let's tap. Alright, cool. Here's what I said.
Oh my goodness.
It's the spirit of the cave.
Hello there, kia ora. Oh my goodness, that memory stone?
What?
Are you taking a memory with me right now? Are you going to put a big picture of me up on your wall?
Yeah, why not?
That's so exciting. What's your name?
David.
Very nice to meet you. Where are you from, my friend?
Very nice to meet you too.
From where?
I'm from Australia.
Australia! Oh
yeah.
My goodness! Oh, you want to go into the summer months. So you come here to prepare to get your base tan for the season.
Why not? Try and get a good belly. Yeah, try to.
What do you do for fun there?
Pretty much the same as here, just kind of enjoy the weather.
Oh, that's great. Enjoy the weather, keep your feet up, sit in a hammock, slide down some slides. Is this your first time here in Volcano Bay?
Yes, it is.
Wait, now what do you want to repeat? Did you know that?
I didn't, but I'm grateful to be.
Oh, see, now that you are here, you are a part of our family. So you should know the history of our island and how this all came to be. Legend foretold of a mystical golden fish named Blue, who would one day appear, leading the waterway to a new home where their spirits would be free. In search of they sail far and wide, traveling to islands like Fiji, Now, my wandering friends, it is your time to experience the wonder of the island. Here, where sky and earth meet in perfect harmony. So now you know that those people came here because they followed a fish. That's sort of the moral of the story. If you meet an golden talking fish, follow it. Never follow silverfish though, they are crazy. Well, it was nice to meet you, my friend. Where
It's nice to meet you too. Not totally sure, I'm going to aim that way and see what I run into.
Good idea. If you head that way, you will find lots of interesting things, including a couple of monkeys who have not stopped kissing in a couple of years. Tell them to knock it off.
I will. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Goodbye, my friend. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Bye. Okay, I didn't know that she was interactive and you could actually chat with her, but that was awesome. I loved that. I really did. I hope you guys kind of like the story of how Volcano Bay came to be. Okay, I found something else I can tap, so let's tap it. Okay, now it blows. Right, literally. Okay, cold, but that was fun. Oh, they're those monkeys that she says hasn't been stopped kissing. I was told to tell you to knock it off. That's cool. They make you wear a life vest, and you actually have to keep it on the whole time, yeah. But like I said, found the Fearless River, so let's get into it, okay? Whoa, this actually is moving quickly, this is fun. Okay. What I understand, you go near the walls, you'll actually be even quicker. Let's get over towards one. Whoa! Far out, it really is. This is fun. Quite relaxing actually too. Alright, so look where I'm going. Let's go. Whoa, I'm turned. I'm trying this life jack's way a little largely, but still. Let's flow yummy. Next time I have a chance to stop, I'm actually stop and try to switch sizes, just so it's a little bit more comfortable. I'm currently using the extra large just because the pocket I can see. And by doing the straps up, like, it seemed like it would fit. Where's the wall? Let's run into it. Whoa, that hurts. But in a good way. If you can. Okay, there's one of those little things we were activating earlier on, but no one activated it before. There's a waterfall there. Let's go under it. Oh, and there. Oh, cool. There's the next set. Let's go there, switch sizes, okay? Go from the extra large to a large. Let's see if this feels a bit better when we get in there, okay? And away we go! Okay, not yet, but I'm aiming towards the wall, so I'm going to quick whoa! That hurt. Okay, that is a little bit better. Like, it's still floating up on me, but... Okay, not gonna lie, walls will give you speed, but they're gonna hurt because you're gonna keep hitting the jet. This is better. Now I'm really just getting some speed on it. See what I'm saying? Relaxing. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I'm just finding where the slower one is, but I'm really going to stand this one for a bit. Let's just go. Whoa! That was fun. Obviously, occasionally they throw massive waves in there to go rapids. Plus, coming up to a rapid surf out here. This is fun. See why they call this the Fearless River. There's the rope bridge entrance to one of the slides. Okay, I believe we actually have done a full circuit. It's our second time around. I'm still enjoying it, so we're going to do like 2 or 3 more times around just for the fun of it. And then we'll hop out and try and find the slow moving one. But so far, Fearless River, thumbs up for me. Actually, something I do need to say about this thing here, and I've got to give creds. Hang on, there's one of the links. Creds to Volcano Bay for it. Is in my walk around today, I've seen at least 2 or 3 times that the lifeguards have actually had to jump in and help someone out. So it's definitely worth the try if you're an okay swimmer. But what I'm trying to more point out is that they're definitely got. Oh, here comes the rapids. Whoa, oh, that's fun. Definitely got tons of lifeguards every couple of meters to make sure you never get yourself into trouble, because in all honesty, I'm actually a competitive swimmer. However, I could easily see on this one how someone who wasn't, so I'm just naturally spinning, I'm not trying to, someone who naturally wasn't a fair swimmer, could actually get themselves into some serious trouble on this ride, or whatever you want to call it. But on that front, I think I'm actually coming up to where I entered, so let's go for it. Let's turn around. Like, honestly, this is so much fun. I don't really want to get off it yet. But it's still a little bit spinning out from out there. This is so much fun, just going like face first into this, especially. Stop off that hurt underneath there. I'm also thinking that I'm probably going to ride it through to the second exit, because there's 2 entrances and exits to this thing. So yeah, I'm going to ride through to the second one and hop out there and then start exploring from there. I'm trying to film a clip there for you guys, but I kind of just got, okay, I'm at the beginning. Like I said, I'm going to ride through the second one, but in that one time when I was trying to film a clip for you guys, I actually got hit by a wave coming towards me and 2 from behind me. So that's what I was trying to refer to, like, if you're not 100% a strong swimmer, like, you can get yourself in some trouble on here. Oh, it's just so much fun. I really love this ride. This is such a strong recommendation. And you got some people struggling to stay there from getting into it. But realistically, if you want to know anything, just give it. Float, enjoy it. Because no matter what, you're going with it. You have no control in here, like.
It's all the same, like some things never change.
That thing was awesome. I think I ended up doing like 4 laps, maybe 5 laps of the thing. Oh, I could easily stay in there for hours. It was fun, it was intense. Oh, okay, I've kind of been given some direction towards the actual slow one. Just trying to find that now, okay? So I'll put you guys down so I can, and then we'll go from there, okay? I found the slow moving one. So let's at least do 1 lap, because it looks fun, but I can't imagine it's going to be as much fun as that last one, because that was intense. Oh, I loved it so much. Okay, let's go into it and see how it is, okay guys? Okay, I counted 2 because I thought it was fun, but it's actually slightly awkward, so I think I'm about to dump it back. Floating, so that's fun. Well, this one is nice, like I said, it's a lot slower, a lot more relaxing, but I think the other one I could honestly just sit in for hours and just be, tongue-tying, you know how it is, be just as relaxed. Okay, I'm going to stop out this because it's awkward. It would just stay on top of me. That wasn't cool. Oh, cool. Take spray. I just someone did it. That was fun. Okay, I have to say, this actually is a quick moving lazy river as well, and if it wasn't for that last one we went on first, I would say this is pretty fast one, but it's just obviously not comparable to the Fearless river, because that was fearless. But as you can see, like I'm still struggling trying to keep myself going straight in this. Oh, the ground's kind of hard. Yeah, maybe I can. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down so I can get my balance. Okay, as we go past, I'll show you this area here, because this is the kids area. I'm not completely sure if we're allowed to go in there. I'm gonna ask when we get out, and if we can, I'll go in there and I may take you guys, but honestly, it's always weird, like taking a camera into an area that's designed for children. You know that, the world is what it is right now. We're going into a cave now though, so this will be fun. Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Okay, that was pretty intense. Some more waterfalls. Okay, that was fun too. Okay, we've got more of that kids area in there. So I just ran into a tube. I'm I'm not totally sure if this lazy river is longer or if they're probably the same length but the other one just moving a lot faster. I don't know if I just passed where I entered. Oh no, I'm literally right at where I entered there. Okay, so let's do a quick circumnavigate like I did on the last one for you guys, okay? Okay, that kind of brings us to, let's see exactly this. Okay, that kind of brings us to the end of things. I can actually take the GoPro on with you guys.
How big that side is.
Well, sorry, I'm just feeling tired. That brings us to the end of what I can actually take the GoPro on to. So, I've got a ride I can do. Pretty sure I can fit this GoPro into my pocket. So I may jump on that now, then go back in the Fearless River again. Then I may have to look at heading off, but I've actually been having a ton of fun today. Like, I don't know, it's just one of those things, you kind of overlook how much fun a water park can be until you kind of come back. You're like, oh, this is why it's enjoyable. But, okay guys, I'll keep moving and touch you when I go back to the G7X, okay?
Sorry, so that kind of brings us to the end of today. I had a ton of fun. Those rides were intense. A lot of them, but I loved all of them. I'm going to stay close to the front of the park and catch my breath, and then we'll keep going on with my review, okay? I had a ton of fun. Great mix between the Fearless River, oh, that was awesome. But I ended up doing that a couple of times even without the GoPro, so I probably honestly did that roughly 10 times. I'm going to keep walking, but I'm just going to show you the Volcano base sign one last time before we leave. Then that slide I showed you earlier in the day, it has a bit of a drop. Loved that, I ended up doing that like 5 times. And I did both sides a few different times, but essentially it was, you fall 6 foot into a 10-foot pool. It was ridiculous, and honestly one of those ones they check like 20 times if you actually were a good enough swimmer, because yeah, that's intense. However, I enjoyed it. I ended up doing one of the drop slides. Yeah, not sure I'll ever do a drop slide again, but hey, I did it now. Hurt my back. If I'm going to do it again, I'll just make sure like I tuck my swim shirt actually into my pants a bit more so it just wouldn't ride up, because if I did the second I left the station. However, overall, that's kind of where we're going to leave it. So if you guys enjoyed what I could show you today, please don't like, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified next time I upload. Also, on the screens like always the socials. I guess that's a wrap. See you guys.
I may actually call it right at time because it's starting to rain. Not too heavy yet, but I know Florida and it can get torrential in a few seconds.